Hello, in this video I will show you how to get nand2tetris tools installed on Mac computer. First of all, you will need to download nand2tetris toolkit. This is an official website. You can click software and download the nand2tetris soft suite by clicking this link. However, our school will use a special version of the nand2tetris. You are not supposed to use this official one. Please go to My Uni. Course Computer Systems and go to Assignments. In Practical Assignment 1, you will find this nand2tetris resources and click this link. A zip file will be downloaded to your computer shortly. If the download didn't start, you probably need to download the linked file as. Need to rename this to .zip. Okay, it extracts this file, CS Adelaide nand2tetris. So please find a safe location. I will open up a folder. Finder folder. New Finder window. And go to just any safe any directory you may find easily. I will just copy this folder over to my CS folder. Okay. Now let's try to access those tools, whether it works. To run terminal, you will need to click View and show hide passbar will hide this button. What you need to do is show passbar, and on the passbar, the last folder on the passbar, right click and open in terminal. Now just type in // / means current directory and hardware I need to run this one, hardware simulator.sh. Permission denied. So I need to chmod plus X. So this time it should be executable. Okay, now hardware simulator pops off. You can load the HDL file and test scripts to do running and evaluation. However, this may not work if I just open up a terminal from other directory. Let's see where am I? pwd. I'm in my home directory. If I type // instead of // let's do a global name. It will not find the hardware simulator. This only works if you are in this folder. What if we want to run those programs globally? I need to add them as this directory to the environment variable. So let's just copy tools as a file name, and then use VS Code code, open up etc and path. Just paste the file directory to the end of this file and save. Seems not working. I need to type in the administrator password. Okay, the file is saved. Why? And close. Open up again. If you can see the line just added, it should be fine. Now, I can open up hardware simulator anywhere. Maybe I need to close the terminal and open again. Hardware simulator. Now you can open up a hardware simulator anywhere. Let's try other tools such as assembler. assembsh. Permission denied again, so I need to change mode for all sh file. chmod plus execution for star /star.sh. Oh, okay. This time it should work. Yeah. What else? I think that's it. Today's video. Thanks for watching.